We're here at a customer's house in North London. The customer's been complaining that the back boiler, which fires up, works for a few moments, then cuts out, locks out, then automatically, without having to be reset, fires back again. So the boiler's intermittently working, going off, working, going off. We've been asked to come in and look at it. Now, they have had other engineers out who have changed the pump, the motorised valves. It's a fully pumped system, and yet they haven't been able to get to the root cause of it. If we can just turn on the boiler now, and we'll try and see what it is. We've had a look. We've found the problem. We thought it was quite interesting, and it's not something that we get to see very often because obviously there's not too many back boilers around. But if you, as we pan in here, if you look at the pilot light, you can see that the pilot light itself, the flames are a nice blue, nice clear colour, but the pilot assembly, which has a flame failure device in there, is very, very poor. I mean, I think that's putting it mildly for any gas engineers that are looking. So what's happening is that pilot assembly, that horrible yellow flame, heats up a flame failure device that allows the gas to pass through the gas valve to the burners at the back. So it's heating up that flame failure device, but it's not doing it appropriately. And what you'll see in a few moments is that it will cut out. So from the customer's perspective, it's all working fine. The customer doesn't know what's going on. The boiler's fired up, they've got lots of heating and hot water, and then all of a sudden cuts out. So here we have an intermittent problem. Now, other engineers have been in here, and the customer spent a lot of money changing parts, changing a pump and 2 motorised valves, saying that it didn't work. Now, when the customer called us, they were told by another engineer that it needed a new circuit board, and there is actually, believe it or not, on this back boiler, there is a control board in the centre there, but we'll pan back out. So this is a case where some engineers have been here, they've spent a lot of money, the customers spent a lot of money on trying to get it fixed. They haven't been able to rectify the problem. They've changed lots of other parts that didn't need to be changed, but here we are now. So what we're going to do is we'll service the boiler. The boiler looks actually, considering it's a back boiler, in actually quite good shape. However, the pilot assembly needs to be checked. So we'll clean and check that, and then we'll come back in a few minutes. Right, Bear, what have we done?
We've cleaned and serviced the air filter, cleaned and serviced the pilot assembly, and we've cleaned out the safety device. Once we've cleaned all them out, we should have a perfect flame. Before we had a yellow wavering flame. Now I will test it before commissioning. Here we go. Perfect blue flame, ignition.
Perfect. So now we've got a nice blue flame, we've got the correct oxygen mix, the correct air gas mix, and it's safe.
Yep, so we're doing a smoke test for spillage and everything, and reassemble.
Excellent.